The results that people have shared with me and that I've seen in people's life through the Genesis program are not only very humbling to me, it creates a deep sense of meaning and why I'm not only so passionate about coaching this program, but teaching this program. I've seen people go from being incarcerated, not having a job, to getting a job, getting their kids back, buying a house, getting married. I've seen people turn their life around financially by having the courage to go after new jobs or put themselves out there. I've seen people leave relationships that were not healthy, that were abusive. I've seen people resolve traumas that never even talked about before. I've seen people heal relationships that were irreparable. I've seen people move states to pursue career. I've seen people take on beautiful relationships. I've seen people physically transform in ways that they never thought were possible. I've seen people understand the value of who they are as a human being and pursue their passion, their ideas, their love, seeing that in many different ways, in many different aspects of people's life. It brings me, like I said, I mean, it humbles me, but it fills me with so much like just enthusiasm and gratitude, not only for these people that trust me with their lives, but why I decided to do this program and why I wanted to coach this and why I wanted to create it, because of the results that people are getting when they take on the Genesis program.